Yo YouTube, what's going on? If you are looking the easiest method and absolutely for free how to upgrade your Lexus navigation absolutely for free, I have a great tutorial for you. I found only working method and this is the easiest method and absolutely for free. This is application Radio++. This application allows you to upgrade every model in Lexus navigation. How you do it? It's very simple. Turn on Bluetooth or connect our phone via USB to your car. Of course, you must get the network connection. The next step is press button update, and now after complete, our navigation in every model on Lexus will be upgraded. So after get connection, press update, wait to finish this process. After finish, our navigation will be updated and it's work in 2023. So how to get this application Radio++ for Android or iOS device? It's a very easy method I found from this website. So open browser, go to Zeno app as you can see, scroll down or type this the Radio++, press button install. Now very important, way to finish this process, the last step is human verification. For all instruction after complete every step from this easy and free verification for your device will be download and install Radio++. So enjoy and thank you for watching.